guys, welcome back to the Crack Mug. Today we are going to make a polenta Italian sausage bake. It's done in a casserole dish, but it's not done in the oven. It goes under the broiler for a few minutes, but most of it's done on top of the stove. The polenta you can make yourself or buy some at the store like I did. It's an easy dish to assemble. You can do it in 30 minutes. It is so flavorful. I use the spicy sausage, and there's already red chili flakes in there, so it's got a kick to it, but you can adjust that yourself. Make it milder by using the sweet sausage and cutting back on the chili flakes. It's a great all-in-one dish, and I think you're going to love it. So come on, let's get in that kitchen. This is everything you will need for this delicious sausage polenta mozzarella bake, or casserole if you prefer. 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese, and I have sliced it into 1/4 inch slices. 1 medium onion, yellow or white, sliced lengthwise and cut into wedges, like so. You can use a red bell pepper, a green or a yellow, entirely up to you, and slice it quite thin. You can make your own polenta, but this is the store-bought one. It's pre-cooked already, and we're just going to have to slice that into 1/2 inch slices. This is excellent, but feel free to make your own. We need a 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I like to use the San Marzano. They are whole when I get them, so I crush them myself, but feel free to purchase pre-crushed ones. Here we have the Italian sausage. You can use all mild or you can use all spicy. Here you might see I'm using 1/2 and 1/2, mild and spicy. This needs to be removed from the casing. Sometimes you can buy it in bulk without any casing at all. Here I have a 1/2 teaspoon each of red chili flakes, freshly ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and finally I have 5.5 tablespoons of olive oil. In a medium saucepan, we're going to heat 3 tablespoons of our olive oil. That is hot. We are going to add our tomatoes and our fresh oregano. Give that a stir and bring it up to a simmer. This is simmering nicely, so I'm going to take it off the front burner and put it to the back burner out of the way so we can continue. But this should simmer uncovered for 15 minutes. We're medium-high heat in a large skillet. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Looks hot. We're going to add our onion, our peppers, salt, pepper, chili, our garlic. Give it a stir. I'm going to lower the heat to medium and cover it until the vegetables are soft. That's going to take about maybe 5 minutes. The pepper flakes are making me cough. By the way, you can use any amount of pepper flakes you want. If you want to increase it, you can. If you want to decrease it, you can do that also. Entirely up to you. Sauce is simmering away lovely. Okay, these have softened. Ooh, and they smell lovely. To this, we're going to add our sausage meat. And here you go. Break up the sausage as much as you can. As it cooks, it'll get easier to break up, so don't worry about it. So I'm just going to toss this for about 4 or 5 minutes. I have been stirring this and breaking up the sausage for about 5 minutes, and it's looking like that sausage is cooking through. Smells really nice. All right, I am going to put this to a medium heat, cover it, and we're going to let that simmer there for about 5 more minutes covered. So this has been cooking for about 6 minutes, and it smells delicious. All right, it looks like everything is cooked. Right now, preheat your broiler. Your shelf should be about 4 inches from the top of your oven. Your sauce is looking beautiful. It's even thickened a little bit more. So we're going to add this now. I'm over medium heat. Get everything combined nicely. And then we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. I've turned my heat to low because it's simmering quite a lot. I'm on a large burner here, so just keep an eye on it. We want a nice simmer right across it. In the meantime, take your casserole dish. This is a 13 by 9, pretty standard size. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread that around the bottom. Just waiting for the broiler to heat up. It'll get there. And to that, I'm just going to layer our lovely polenta. I can make a little overlap, perfectly fine. And I usually kind of aim for 3 columns. I should have enough. With my final half a tablespoon of olive oil, I'm going to brush the tops of these. I'm going to pop these under the broiler. It's probably going to take 10 to 15 minutes to get a little nice brown on them, a little crispiness, and but we'll check it starting after 10 minutes. Has some nice crispness. Yeah. Now we're going to take our sauce, everything is super hot, and put it over our polenta, like so. Spread it around and cover the polenta completely. Listen to that sizzle. Now we're simply going to put our mozzarella on top of it. Perfect. We're just going to pop this under the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mozzarella is lovely and melted and a little brown. How lovely. Okay, that was 4 minutes under the broiler. The cheese is all melted and beginning to turn brown. We don't want it completely browned all over. It'll be burnt, not good. So just a little bit brown like this. This now will have to sit here for a good 15 minutes to allow it to cool down so we can try it out. The kitchen smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. So let's get a piece. I hope you like polenta. It is so good. And because I still have some Parmesan, I'm going to put a little bit of that over it. Cheers. This sauce is amazing. It's absolutely delicious. And the red bell pepper and onion complement it really well. And there is a spiciness to it, not only by the spicy sausage, but also by the chili red pepper flakes in the sauce itself. You can adjust this to suit your needs and what you like and don't like. But, it's gorgeous. It's an all-in-one dish, easy to put together, absolutely delicious. I think if you make it, you're really going to love it. So, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you next time. Cheers.